The new hoverboard scooters are really cool, but they're not for everyone. If you think you'd rather ride than glide, check out the HoverSeat. The HoverSeat is a two-wheeled frame that attaches to a 6 or 10-inch hoverboard, with the hoverboard providing power and acting as the two front wheels. Just strap on your favorite lawn or beach chair and you're riding hands-free. Steering is done with your feet, which rest on the hoverboard. You can ride the HoverSeat almost anywhere, even in reverse, on pavement, grass, gravel, or at the beach. If you prefer being in the shade, you can easily attach an umbrella. Bring along your gear by attaching a cart, luggage, or whatever. With a HoverSeat, you can't lose. The kids ride the hoverboard and the parents ride in comfort. Protecting the firearms in your home is absolutely critical. ZOR-X, a new technological automatic handgun lock, is now being launched. ZOR-X is a smart lock system that prevents anyone from moving, tampering with, or firing your weapon. Placed in the open chamber of your weapon, ZOR-X is locked with the push of a button. The gun is quickly unlocked by turning the ZOR-X dial in a pattern which corresponds with your personal PIN code. Once unlocked, charging your weapon will immediately chamber a fresh round. If anyone moves your firearm, a built-in motion sensor immediately sends a signal from a Bluetooth LE module directly to your smartphone or tablet. As an advanced and valuable tool for gun owners, ZOR-X is another great example of ingenuity and innovation, offering workable solutions to modern problems. This is Renegade, a new concept in 3D printing pens. 3D printing pens heat pre-made plastic filaments into a gel. As the gel is pushed out of the pen, it hardens, allowing you to 3D print sculptures in mid-air. Most 3D printing pens use a plastic rod inserted into the back end. Since these filaments are expensive and wasteful, Renegade lets you make your own filaments out of plastic bottles, bags, or file folders. This benefits the environment and your wallet. Renegade comes with an ingenious tool called a ChupaCut that turns a single bottle into a plastic ribbon that is used as the pen's 3D print material. If finding colored plastic becomes difficult, Renegade also accepts pre-made filaments. With the Renegade Pro version, you can produce more advanced creations. What would you make with a Renegade? We'd love to find out.